Everybody says all the time that Germany is one of the highest tax countries in the world. Is that so? Really? We did the calculations and I must say I was shocked how much taxes we have to pay here in Germany. And not in a bad way. I was pleasantly surprised actually. I'll show you how much taxes you really pay here in Germany in this episode of the PerFinEx Wiki. A new study from the German Institute of Economics, Institut der deutschen Wirtschaft, is showing exactly how much salary you have to earn in order to be in the average, in the top 10%, in the top 5%, or the top 1% of all earners in Germany. How much income tax would each of these four individuals pay? The average German salary is roughly 48,000 euros gross, which is 30,657 euro net salary if you type it into the Brutto-Netto-Rechner that is linked in the description. You can try it out yourself with your own salary. The calculator is usually pretty accurate. Now, how much taxes do you really pay with 48k gross or 30k net salary? Let's use the official income tax calculator of our German Ministry of Finance that is also linked in the description. In order to determine your personal income tax rate, the calculator asks you for your taxable income. And that is interesting, ladies and gentlemen, because taxable income is neither your gross salary nor is it your net salary. Well, Axel, what is it then? Gross salary is what you get based on your employment contract. From that, there are taxes and social security deducted from your payslip in order to get your net salary. Now, taxable income is what you get when filing your tax declaration. And you can decrease your taxable income massively with the four different types of tax deductions: Werbekosten, Sonderausgaben, außergewöhnliche Belastungen and haushaltsnahe Dienstleistungen. Let us know if we should make a video about that. So without filing your tax declaration, we don't know your taxable income. That's why we took just the middle between the gross and the net income as a rule of thumb. So for our average guy with 48k gross and 30.6k net, we have a taxable income of 39,329 euros. When typing this number into the official tax calculator, we get an average income tax rate of 20% and a maximum tax rate of 34%. Gross income, net income, taxable income, average tax rate, maximum tax rate. If you're still here with me, you're a real hero. The maximum income tax rate determines how every euro you earn is taxed in and of itself. So every euro until 10,347 euro is taxed at 0%. Every euro after 58,597 euro is taxed at 42%. And every euro after 277,826 euros is taxed at 45%. Based on that maximum income tax rate, that's the blue line, the last euro our average guy earns with his 39k taxable income is taxed at maximum 34%. The average tax rate out of all 39,000 euros the guy earns, each euro taxed individually with the blue line, is the purple line. So our average guy is not paying 34% in taxes. He pays an average tax rate of 20% only. Alright, then let's see how much taxes someone in the top 10% pays. To be in the top 10% of all earners in Germany, you need a gross salary of 74,400 euros, which would be a little over 44k in net salary. Again, we take the middle of those two numbers as taxable income and type it into the tax calculator to get this result. Maximum tax rate of 42%, because every euro from 58.5k to his 59.4k is taxed at 42%. And his average tax rate is 26%. That's what I meant in the beginning, that I am shocked and pleasantly surprised. The top 10% earners in Germany have an average income tax rate of 26%. I don't think that's that bad, to be honest. It gets worse in the top 5% though. To be in this category, you need to earn at least 95,400 euro gross or almost 55k net. Half of that is 75k that we took as taxable income. And that brings us again to a maximum tax rate of 42%. Of course, because every euro after 58.5k is taxed at 42%. And the average tax rate is 30%. This guy also pays a little solidarity tax. And to be honest, 30% is starting to get a little much now. Huh? What about the top 1% of earners in Germany? The economic elite when it comes to salary. These people earn at least 152,400 euro in gross salary. Congrats if any of you watching are in this category. With this gross salary, you should have a little over 86k in net salary, which is, according to our rule of thumb, a taxable income of 119k. We typed it into the tax calculator and ta-da! We have an average tax rate of 36%. Maximum tax rate stays at 42% because you would need to earn a taxable income of more than 277k to be taxed at a maximum rate of 45%. Every euro below that is taxed at 42% only. What do you think about these tax rates? Let us know in the comments how it compares to your home country. And congrats if any of you are taxed in the high income tax rate, because that means you make a lot of money.